So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday 25th of October. Now let's just have a look at prices and where pricing may likely go. So previously we've had prices rally towards that 1277 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Did fail to have a true test of that 1277. Did see the breakdown from that 1252, broke through 1250. We've had price trade all the way down towards that 1180, from which we've pulled back, tested 1215, brief pullback from there. Now we've seen a break of that 1215 and we've encountered we stopped somewhat in around that 200 period average. We do see continued bullish buy momentum, looking for a test of that 1252, successful break from which targeting at 1277 here to the upside, and if there is sufficient volatility to bring us beyond 1277, look at a move up towards that 1304. So as we should mention, around at 1277 we do have that confluence of 400 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum coming to market from that level. But if we do see a breakdown here, rather than this bullish buy side momentum continuation, because we do have our lows, a higher low, we've had this rally. If we do fail to see this follow through to the upside and we do instead see a breakdown in prices, we do break down beyond 1215 on our previous lows and around that 1180, we're looking for a move down towards 1160, successful break from which we then targeting at 111 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see our prices are developing, get scale on here correct. So on this daily chart we have our highs, we've had this rally, we do a bit of putting in lower highs. We've had a brief pullback above 1215. If we do fail to hold this 1215, look at our previous lows to be tested in around that 1160, successful break from which targets at 111. Beyond that, we're looking at 1073 and around 1073. We have found support on quite a few occasions before we did see this ride towards our 1450. So again, we'll look to see whether that 1073 with that confluence of 400 period average does hold from a daily chart perspective and see another rally from that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.